This is LENOVO Yoga Tab 11, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, make sure that your tablet is connected to the working and stable Wi-Fi. Then find and open the Google Play Store app. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. After that, type in the Opera query at the search bar. Then once the needed app is found, open the app page and, install the application. Then, once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. And while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple yet necessary setup. So simply tap continue here. And then you can customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for, and start it in the browser. Alrighty, so that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.